Hello everyone! Welcome to this episode on wiring instruction of Hangzhi current transducer. We will use the Hangzhi AIT60-SG transducer as an example to demonstrate its DB9 wiring. This demonstration will use the following equipment: a Hangzhi developed and manufactured programmable DC standard power source to measure the output, a high-precision 6-digit digital multimeter measure the transducer output, and a transducer power supply providing 15 V power. The AIT60-SG high-precision current transducer is also included. The AIT60-SG high-precision current transducer features an integrated die-cast housing, compact structure, and simple appearance. Mounting holes are provided on the back and bottom for easy installation in different scenarios. The center of transducer has a passing-through hole for the measured current bus, and the front panel has a running status indicator and a DB9 port. Definitions of the DB9 pins are as follows. Pin 1, negative terminal for current output. Pin 4, ground. Pin 5, power negative. Pin 6, current output positive. Pin 9, power positive. This is a par-connected DB9 female cable according to the pin definitions. To use, simply insert it into the transducer's DB9 socket and tighten it to complete the transducer panel wiring. Then, connect the other side of the cable to the transducer's power supply, pin 5 power negative, pin 4 ground, and pin 9 power positive. Connect these to the transducer's power supply terminals, -15 volt, GND, and 15 volts respectively. Connect the corresponding pin 1 current output negative and pin 6 current output positive to the current output terminals of the 6-digit multimeter. This completes the wiring process. Power on the transducer under no load conditions. After normal power on, the green operating indicator light should remain on. If the green indicator light does not illuminate after power on, check the power supply connection again. If the power supply connects correctly, but the indicator light remains off, the transducer may be in non-zero flux state. After ensuring the transducer is powered on correctly, we begin current measurement. The Hangzhi transducer can measure both AC and DC current. When measuring DC current, the current direction must be consistent with the arrow which marked at the top of the transducer. Now, we output 50 A current, that to be measured using a standard source. We can see that the 6-digit display has read the current output from the transducer's secondary side, adjusting the standard source, reducing the measured current by 10%. And we can see the 6-digit display value changes accordingly. Besides directly measuring the current, to adapt to systems that can only acquire voltage signals, a measuring resistor can be connected in series on the transducer's secondary side. The current can be calculated by measuring the voltage across the resistor. The resistor value must be strictly configured according to the datasheet. The datasheet indicates that the AIT60-SG can be configured with a 20 resistor. Now, we use a 20 resistor for testing. After connecting the resistor, switch the 6-digit multimeter to voltage mode and output a 50 A current to be measured using a standard source. As you can see, the 6-digit reading has retrieved the secondary output voltage of the transducer. This concludes the complete wiring process for the Hangzhi AIT60-SG current transducer. We hope this video helps you better understand and operate it. If you have any questions during wiring, please feel free to contact us.